Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Creative Crafty Bird Girl with ASL and voice. Today we're going to make a clipboard with a picture. What I did is I painted in white and then I put a stencil in green with all the leaves. I painted in white and I used white chalk and folk art green paint. And what I did is I painted the whole thing and then I add some leaf stencil. Now first thing we need is some PHOTO picture, and we're going to put in the middle. We're going to use podge and we're going to glue on here. I'm going to take this and put it in the middle. Put very little bit of podge. Make sure there's nothing open on the edge of the picture around. Here we go. And now we're going to take, from the dollar store, I got a little feathers. And we're going to take a little feathers. Put it here. Take another small feathers, But I like this. Then we take the little sticker off and paste it on here. And do the next one. And then, I think that's it. Very simple, easy step to make. If you like this video, give me thumbs up. If you're new, welcome. And please subscribe my channel. Click the red box and click the notification bell so you will not miss a fun craft. And help me to grow my channel. And I'll be very grateful. And thank you all. And have a great day. Bye.